abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome, guys, to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. When we talk about events planning and media management, we talk about Deb3 Events. Whatever type of event that you want to host, be it a family event, a corporate event, social, church, political, as long as just get in touch with Deb3 Events for your stage hire, PA system, LED screens, photography, videography, special effects, smoke machines, guys. So get in touch with Deb3 ama contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. My name is Nondudu Ncube. Silamgele njalo on another exciting episode of Enkundleni. Sibonge njalo ama sponsors ethu Okuhle Designs for all your graphic design needs, and Pula Water esincedisayo ukuthi sisebenze sinatha khona apha sikhulume sinatha. And today I have a very interesting gentleman, and he launched an exciting album last week. Impilo, if I'm not mistaken, Life Impilo. Ngikhuluma nguMahlaba, uSharp.
Ngisharp no, skipani.
Ngisharp kakhulu. I'm correct nxa ngithi the album is Life Impilo, right?
Yes.
Nice.
100%.
Otherwise skipani.
Hayi konke kuSharp, sibonga impilo nje.
Siyabonga ukuthi ubuyile lapha Enkundleni, uthethe isikhathi sakho and you came to join us. Thank you so much.
Alami ngiyabonga ukuthi linxusile, lami ngizophuma ku screen la.
Yes, uthi ngiyathanda ukuba lama guest. I think our viewers always know that normally vele nxa kule guest ngiyakhanya ukuthi hayi ngilamadlabuzane. Ngiyabathanda abantu bemzini. So thank you so much. Okay, so can you tell us the journey from ekuqaliseni uqalisa up to ekulonjweni kwe-album le, the recent album Impilo? Siza ukuthi kahle kahle kuvelela ngaphi, kuqalisele ngaphi, because sonke siyakwazi ukuthi uMahlaba. But sifuna ubakwazi kahle kahle ukuthi uMahlaba yena vele ngubani.
Alright. Ngokuzalwa igama lami nguCharles Banda. My stage name is Mahlaba. I inherited this name Mahlaba from my late father, Simon Banda, the founder member of Sunduza Dance Theatre in the early 80s. Sunduza was founded in early 80s, 1985, ePhumula le. Ephumula old. Kade sinasithanda ukufaka isilenge sethu.
1985.
Yes, sithanda ukufaka. Wakazalwa. Indlela mangakazalwa.
Okay.
Sithanda ukufaka isilenge sona sithi ngale ephumula sithi kusephumsdale, kusemayadini, emadonkini, emabhizeni.
Okay.
So ijourney yami ngayifaka ngithi mina nxa ngisizwa abadala bengitshela bathi mina ngibulala ngokugida. Ngichama ama-style vele ongekuwaboni. Ngaze ngahawukela la ngumlungu wayepromoter iSunduza okuthiwa nguPhilip Weiss. He worked with Sunduza since 1989. Qala ukusebenza leSunduza. So thowa wayembona ngihlala ngikita wazothi hani umfana lo mfuna ukuhamba la emazweni. Abadala bamthiwa bayala bathi akwenzi umntwana usamncane. Wesikwakusasabisa phela abazali I think babesesakho kuthiwa umntwana engahamba egadi from machina kasaphenduki into ezinjalo. So banjela lami sengikhulile istory sakhona sona leso. So futhi ukuthi into lami ekhona egazini yefamily. Then mina vele into engidume ngayo kakhulu libhora into bengiyithanda. From junior level I played for Sparrows. I played for Njube Sundowns, ebese Njube lapha. Abanye bengamangali phela bacase since Sundowns yegoli. Kuthiwa Njube Sundowns. After Njube Sundowns ngase ngidlala ku Bekhazini. iBekhazini akatshintshi kuba yiChickenini.
Okay.
Isase eLobhengula lapha. So isithe sitshintshe kuba yiChickenini yangena ku Division 2. Yikho lapha engiqayise khona ukudlala competitive soccer. After that sapromote iChickenini yangena ku Division 1. From Division 1 at Premier League. Sadlala lathi nje kancane khona lapho Premier League. Then asengihamba ngadlala ku Quellaton.
Okay.
Quellaton ngathi Zubco, Real Stars, ngase ngithi le Makhandeni Pirates. Then in 2012 after ukushona kwamdala wami khona lapha engagcina sengenga khona amabhutsu. Ama-soccer boots ngase ngicina sengisithi mana ngene ngaphi ku-field kamdala ngiphushile egasi. Because umlungu wanilanda wathi into le nxa ufuna ukuthi iphile, can you go and revive isunduza cause ngendlela esikuzwe ngayo uhlabela ku funeral kababakho. We heard ivoice kababakho. There's nothing new. But we felt i-presence kababakho in your voice. So iko kwagcina ngiyeza ukuthi nxa abadala bona besitsho njalo mara ngihambe ngiyesebenza ngale. Then abafowethu kusunduza bangamukela kuhle sibini. Ababesebenza lo babami. Bangamukela bagcina sebengenza ngagcina siba yi-leader. Ngagcina sengu-director kwaphana kusunduza. Then iko lapho discover khona ukuthi I can push solo.
Yes.
Discover ukuthi no i-solo project ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngiyenze cause abaningi bebekhuluma ngevoice yami. Relate my voice kubo Jabu Khanyile.
Okay.
But isitayela sami bese kubo Jabu Khanyile. So ngabona usurethwa lawe labantu abanjalo.
Yes.
Uyabona ukuthi kule something.
Say something about your work, yes.
So ikwagcina ngithi mana njani mphushe ingoma ngicela ngisebenze yini ingoma lo Khwabarathi lo Smalls ingoma khona kuthiwa Indebe Zami. Sayiphusha lo Khwabarathi but yagcina siba yisingle. After we discover talent yalena. USmalls wagcina sithi njani asisebenze Charlie sagcina sikhiphe i-album okuthiwa Indebe Zami. But that's le fusion lama live instruments le Afro pop. Ngayenze yini ingoma lo Mrs K is part of i-album nalo Ithonga Indebe Zami ingoma yakhona kuthiwa Ngikhethe Wena. That's the song la eyapusha isibili abantu abaningi abangazi ngayo because ilama visuals. Yiyo bagcina abaningi ababengazi ndlala ibhora ngithe bathumela ingoma just i-audio. Babeyala besithi wena ihlabelani ungafuna usiqambela amanga.
It was unbelievable.
So ngacela sembathumela i-videos iphumile abantu bacela bemangala ukuthi nguwe sibili kathi uyahlabela sibili so chuthi buhlezi uhlalela i-talent into ezinjalo. So khona ngacela sengidiscover ukuthi no I think I have to push. So ekusebenzeni kwami ngacina sengingena ku-album okuthiwa ngu Feelings Imizwa ngayenza futhi ku-Smalls Elephant Head Records. uSmalls ngithe nisebenzela sesilirecordile i-album ngacela sithi Charlie but i-music le ngendlela e-deep ngayo I feel it needs ama-elements alive. Why can't we go live? Ufake full band sibile live ukuze music le ibe yi-lifetime music.
Yes.
Ngisithi alright mbani Smalls ongasenzela khona lokho. Smalls one refer ku Erastus. Then that's when we took i-album ku Erastus. Erastus wafika walalela la wafika wathi this is too deep. Erastus wagcine arrange wonke ama-instruments arrange yonke into i-album laphelela laphuma. Lithe seliphumile uSmalls wagcine sithi Charlie I think right khona pa. Hlala ku Erastus. Because i-sound yakho uyayi-understand. And imagine ngu-producer uSmalls. But wangihambisa komunye uproducer. Kazama waba lo moyo omubi.
He wasn't greedy about it.
Ukuthi kumbe sengithathele i-artist wathatha njani ngafika ngasebenza lo Erastus kwahle kwavuleka yonke into yonke into yahamba kuhle. So ngiyambonga uSmalls ngokunikeza that opportunity. Lo le ear yakhe ayelayo ukuthi no into engiyifunayo umuntu lwane ngayenza njani iphakame ngcono. So ngasebenza lo Erastus salikhipha i-album lona lesalikhipha ngo-2023 othiwa ngu-Feelings Imizwa sayilontshela eBulawayo Theatre.
Okay.
Then yasithathela almost 2 years which is a secret from 2020 sayilontsha ngo-2023. Then kade si-album leli licha elivutha amalangabi kuthiwa ngu-Life Impilo lingithathele lalo almost 2 years ukuthi ngize ngiqede ukulisebenza sibili silipolish ukuthi yonke into yethu sesi-correct ngayo. Siyilontshe recent it was 1st of August lapho esayilontsha khona lapho e-Alias Francais iko esayilontsha khona. So le appreciation ebantwini ibitshengisela sibili ukuthi umsebenzi esiwenzayo sibili uyancomeka. So siyabonga sibili kakhulu for ukuxhaswa ngabantu abaningi ukuthi umsebenzi walo uzophuma.
Khabe ngisathi bengisazobuza ukuthi how was the attendance, but you sound really positive.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Kuhle nxa abantu be supporter it's actually beautiful. And then enye into enginanzelela ekukhulumeni kwakho i-album yokuqala sithe ithini Indebe Zami. Yeah, it's 2 years.
Indebe Zami didn't take 2 years. Indebe Zami it was a mixture of Afro jazz, Afro pop, so yayile digital.
Okay.
So ayizange ngithathela most of isikhathi. Engithathele 2 years thesuka kuNdebe Zami sesiya producer lele linye okuthiwa ngu-Feelings Imizwa.
Exactly, Feelings Imizwa it took 2 years.
Yes.
And then also Impilo layo it took 2 years.
Yes, 2 years.
So you are taking your time in creating music yakho. And sinanzela ukuthi khathesi umuntu 6 months sele album, 3 months sele album, but you are taking a whole 2 years. That's another level of patience.
Yeah, because what I've noticed lokusebenza la belungu kakhulu babekutshela ukuthi ukuze ukhiphe like music eza lasta lifetime music kumele uzinikeze isikhathi and music yakho kumele uyijake and music yakho album kumele bele story again not ukuthi thophonga ukuthi music ingane ngama single but alimumathe story behind ukuthi why silineme this lengoma zakhona zicho izinto zona lezi eziphakathi kwealbum and because umlungu yabe kutshela ukuthi emazweni they take even 4 to 5 years umuntu release album yakho sihlala for 5 years ama artists sibila big 4 to 5 years elipheka kumbe ese-releaseile engaka-release elinye ephusha ingoma zakhe zona zingene ebantwini because akumelanga sijake kumele ingoma lezi zingene ebantwini bezijwayele beze beceme kwanisa ukuyenza ama-singalong then sulibuya lokutsha noma ubaphakulele okutsha but babekwazi ukuthi vele okusemuva kunjani.
You're not overfitting them.
Yes.
Yeah, nice. So we had an episode recently with another Bulawayo-based musician, Ricky Ice, and he talked about the importance of creating timeless music. And in his words, futhi wakhuluma ukuthi music must communicate, music must have a certain message. Mele ikhulume lo muntu oyilaleleyo. Kungaphonga kuba into yokuthi ngiyayilalela kathi sintamba mase ngikhohliwe but kube ikukhuluma imusic ikhulume lami and I'm actually glad you're also saying the same thing and then and also another thing I'm loving the positivity olayo oyisitshengisela yona you're saying uSmalls is a producer but he was able to he wasn't greedy waku refer to another one and you're thankful for that.
Yes,
because sesijayile ukuthi usually umuntu vele uhlale negative uhlala kwizinto ezinegative all the time so kuhle nje ukuthi uxoxe lo muntu uzwe ukukhuluma izinto ezinhle and but then I'm quite sure ukuthi besides the positivity ngoba akula journey smooth akula relationship smooth konke nje kulama ups and downs kulama bumps and all that. So can you tell us about the downs, the challenges, the khonokhana nje ubuhlungu obukhona ku journey leyo hamba kiyo? Can you share with us?
Ubuhlungu bukhona bunengi sibili nxa ngikhangele like kwesikhathi uyakwanisa ukuthi ufuna ube lengoma ufuna ungena e-studio awula mali so depend that ngokuthi understanding yakho labantu bona labo abakuproducera mbosebenza labo injani because nxa lingala kuyilabana ukuthi kulabantu labana abanye abafuna imali abathatha imali kuma artist ukuthi buzo record phela ungene kalalela ukuthi into yakhe iperfect kumbe injani ka correct ufuna uthatha imali yakhe uhambe but umuntu lwana ofuna ukuthi kwesikhathi elalele lento yakho ukuthi into le ithwa iphume kimi la kumele la ilalele iziphume sibili njani isolid sibili kwesikhathi liyakhulumisana lizwanana so kwesikhathi sifesa ama challenges wala ukuswela indaba zemali ukusponsor kwesikhathi ubizwa kuma event lengeni challenge subizwa ku event uze perform ngisithi angaziyo siqinisa performela iplate lawo rice into ezinjalo le piece yenyama but wona usudlila irice endlini abayidla yabona ubuhlungu bakhona
wona nxa ungufamily man
yahlupha so elisi into zenzana ziyakuvula ingqondo vele kumele sidlule endaweni ezinjalo kwesinye isikhathi ukuze la uzufike phezulu because akumelanga ukuhle kuvuke unguhleze esituleni esimnandi uhlezi kabutepu akwezi
kuzokuhle kuvuke kulungile kawani so kuyahamba gradually
so iprocess yakhona into yakhona is a process so your challenges amanye siwafesa indaba zemali ukuthela kwesikhathi ama shows ama gigs ngiyachallenge kwesikhathi uyenzile imusic yakho uyayinika abantu uyayiperformela ngapi so izinto ezihluphayo zona lezi esifesana lazo.
Okay, so now speaking of the challenges kule Facebook post eke yaba khona recently yangani ama artist amanye angana akhuluma ngayo from a guy on Facebook name yakhe nguvusa Hlatshwayo. Uyabuza uthi why is Bulawayo music not penetrating the mainstream? I'm not really sure what this guy means about this, but ngani ngiyamthola mbijana because bese ngichecka la kuma replies and stuff. Mfuna ukuzwa wena ipoint yakho because ngicheckile kuma replies lapha lawa ngubonanga uphendula but imbonile abanye abanjengabo Bila labo bephendula khona lapha. So while you are replying and mana mbe check ama posts angikhona so that we can also use the
reference. All right, I think okunye is all about support. Abantu especially abantu singathi abantu bakithi ko Bulawayo kwesikhathi bona ba appreciate into evela ngaphandle nxa yenzwe lapha kwesisikhathi ukuthi beze bekwamukele sibili I think angazi kuyasomela uyenzeni
anti phela
ngokunye okusichayilela phansi because I talent likhona ligcwele and the music yona le abayikhangelelayo ukuthi bathi hey kumbe lapha yikho ikhona it's all about bona ukuthi unxa abantu thina silama shows be attend because siyafaka ama shows thina because kade sesizenzela thina wethu ama shows ngokuthi maybe ngiyazenzela yami launch kumbe ngenze like kade sanje abantu ubhila ukhulumela ukuthi bila concert ayilani le promote buyeza uthi hey ngicela ukuthi wathatha abantu ama promoters itha lapha bafuna ukufaka imali
yes because into ekhuluma yanti is being supported by someone also ophendulileyo wathi khona do you know Bulawayo also has the highest number of artists who perform and do well even on international stage performing for international audiences. I think it underlines what you are saying. But then Zwana le yempendulela ndilayo. The only serious artist from Bulawayo based in Zimbabwe is Calvin Mangena. Abanye asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngilami nje ngayibona nje ku Facebook. Hayi siyathula silalele umsebenzi wethu uzasikhulumela. Because ama shows siyafaka ukuthi abantu bebone kuma social platforms ukuthi ha madoda kule gig elinje umahlaba uchaya endaweni nje ubhili uchaya endaweni nje usizike uchaya endaweni nje. Kumbe kule theater endaweni nje but kwesikhathi kucina sokubuya abantu abakusekli yakho abanye abantu ababuyi
okay nice hayi bemfuna ukuzwa nje opinion because kube indaba engani segudwini naleso bemfuna ukuzwa ukuthi wena uthini njengoba la ungomunye musician based in Bulawayo
but le inkulumo vele seyahlala ikhulunywa anti so kwesikhathi ukusebenza anti umsebenzi yoza sikhulumela
anti so I think kwesikhathi it's actually wise ukuthi ungakhanyi usukuma debates wonke you choose your battles you choose ukuthi energy yakho uyisebenzisa ngapi la ngapi nice wonderful so guys as you can hear this is wela nje ukuthi ngaye ngakhuluma ngathi isamale lizabona ukuthi kwenzakalani because uMahlaba selonjile ialbum iDeb Band la ilonjile ialbum uBila la ule live concert yakhe ebuyayo so it's a packed summer so I think kumele lihlale leduze unfortunately namhla uLeslie kakho ngiyojayela ukusinika ama events ukuthi for the coming month kulama events aphi but I think kumele lihlale leduze make sure you don't miss the episode of Enkundleni exclusive so now Mahlaba ingoma lezi uyazibhalela uyazibhalela
ingoma most of the time
uyazibhalela so wena nje uzibhalela semfuna ukuzwa ukuthi ingoma lezi nxa uzibhala kuvela ngapi ngoba usuziphonga uvuka nje phonga ubhala ingoma uhle uyibhale yonke kawani mfuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi where is it coming from
into nxa isegazini kwesisikhathi vela utshona uthandabuza kuyazifikela nje isikhathi it's about ama situations esiyabe siwakhangele maybe okwenzakala kimi okunye mbukenzakala kumakhelwane kumbe ku community so okunye kuvelela khona lapha okwenzakala emhlabeni
okay
so most of the time ngambhala ingoma vela is all about the chorus then okuningi lokho okunye kwama verse kumbe kuthiwa ngamani kuyazibuyela
nice so ubhale zakho kuphela ubhalela abanye
hayi
you haven't done that
anzayi ngikwenzi nxa ngibhala kwesikhathi ngiyabhalela like uThothi maybe ngama production not ukuthi ngibhalele like individual ama theater production bakwanisa ukuthi bengi-approach bethi sifuna ukuthi ucreate i-music ilokhu net script sithi ABCD
okay
ubuye ama-movie maybe uzothiwa i-drama yabe ikhuluma ngalokhu ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngihlale phansi futhi ngilungise according to ilokhu yabo abayifunayo.
All right so now let's talk about ku-album yethu le Impilo Life you obviously I know ukuthi you love all the songs there but you obviously have a favorite yiphi ngoma oyithandayo uthi la nxa uyilalela uthi le yiwe ngithi mina I write novels and ngilawa ama novel ami engiwathengisayo wonke angila i-favorite yami la bantu bake bambuze ngiyiqambe so namhla mfuna ukuthi lawe usitshele your favorite song ku-album.
My favorite laphana kule ngoma esayenze ekucineni iyaqinisa iyi-favorite but sithe sisebenza ngapha silokhu siphusha lo Erastus sihlala sithi Erastus le ngoma manje le blind le kule ngoma othiwa ngiqala la ukhona yiyo i-title ye-album because it talks about life ikhuluma ngokuthi empilweni kumele usukele phansi usiya phambili akumelanga ukuthi uqalisele le
Okay.
ungazange wasukela ngaphi
Ukuwa kwakhona kubuhlungu
kubuhlungu.
ngaqasela phambili yami.
So iyayi-favorite but sithese sikhipha ingoma lo Erastus wayelokhu eyala ukuthi siyirekhode nesithi atshe yini le chorus ine-blind lapha zwani ukuthi thina siyenze so Erastus atshe ingoma seziziningi lesezigwane ngathi hayi zwani
Album le ngoma esingaki?
11
11. Okay.
so wabe sizwa Erastus wahlathi atshalile manje kumbhobho ingoma yakhona ithi ngempela
Akusinike okuyi-chorus okuncane. Kancane nje.
Hey,
30
ivoice
30 seconds. 30 seconds nankamanzi.
mana nizama
Usitshaye
ukunatha
nje 30 seconds.
ngibuye ngekho prepared kuhlabela
Hayi, you are a musician. Into zakho lezi.
ya ingoma yakhona ithi ngempela mina ngisemathandweni nashisa bhema ngempela mina ngisemathandweni nashisa bhema ngempela ngisemathandweni nashisa bhema mina ngempela ngisemathandweni nashisa bhema mina wamuhle mntwana omuntu wamuhle ntombi yabantu you are beautiful like an African setting sun.
Wow, okay. You know what? That's beautiful and unexpected. Because nxa usithi life impilo, I'm expecting an album of sad songs.
Okay. Yazikhona because ikhona ingoma
But you know what? I think I'm lost because sengubona ngathi ukuthi nxa sithi life, we don't only talk about sadness. Impilo vele ile sadness, ile happiness, and it's got love, like what you're saying. Okay. Wow. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. And then on the songs, and we're still talking about the songs. That's your favorite song.
Yeah.
And like now uhlabela ngubonisa ucimeza ukuthi hayi chaya phakathi. Right. So tell me the most challenging song engomeni zakho owayibhala lawe wangani uzukuthi hayi le ingani iphumile but ibinzima ukuthi ngiyibhale.
Ya mina yeke ngathi kithi maybe ngithi iphumile kumbe ibinzima ngakhuluma ukuthi ibinzisa ubuhlungu singakhangela like recent ukuthi ku art industry abantu abadlulileyo kithi bebebaningi njani kulandelana sikhangele like from last year sashonelwa nguSihlangu Dlodlo kwabuya uMoyoxide kwabuya sendlibe lamanye ama artists kwabuya uSikhonjwa so ukufa kwakhona yazi ku disturb like into eziningi especially ku art industry so ngacina ngikhipha ingoma lami ngayibhala nje kabuhlungu yapho ngifika nje ichorus yakho ngabe ngihlabela ngayo ikhuluma ngokufa.
Okay.
So ingoma sibile ngayifila ukuthi le ingoma sibili lakathesi even ngiyiplayer so ama memories are serious sibili sengikhumbula even ukushona kwabazali komzali wami like umdala sikhumbula abadala futhi bona laba awusikhonjwa ophathisa nyathi.
And for some reason, now that you're talking about it, I'm thinking about izimfa lezi ezilokhu ezisenzakala ku Highlanders.
Into ezinjalo.
Yeah.
So ingoma sibili ebebuhlungu sibili. Even lo Erastus we sala vele lokuthi sifake ku album but then sithi but ikhuluma ngempilo and I know it's emotionally. So ingakwanisa ukuthi ikwabanye ikwanisa ukuthi maybe ibaduduze.
Okay.
Because iyabuza ukuthi ukufa kade vele udla ntoni na ukhukhuza wonke amathamba ukhethi wenza yonke into kuphela into ezinjalo yabo.
Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's quite something else.
Yeah.
So guys, there you have it. Impilo Life, the album has been launched. Ikona kuma platforms like streaming platforms wonke what?
iTunes, DistroKid, wonke ama social platforms.
Oh wow. So you can actually get music Gamahlaba, the latest album, Life Impilo, across all streams. Ngena khona lapho uzilalelele music yakho. And then Mahlaba, before we do the concluding remarks and all that, kulabantu ababukeleyo abafisa ukwenza umsebenzi owenzayo. And sesikhulume ngobuhle bawo, sesikhulume ngama challenges awo. Do you have anything else to say to them? Ongafisa nje ukuthi ubatshele yona ababukeleyo.
Yeah, oqala engakutsho ukuthi kubantu bonke ababukeleyo ukuzithemba. Entweni yonke oyenzayo just have faith. Akulanto engayihlula. Because lami nginjanje uzwile ijourney yami ngithenga ngidlalela ibhola. I didn't know about konke lokho kwe music. but lami ngokuhlala lokhu ngi-inspire ngibukela like umdala wami ngibukela abantu abachiyeneyo ngilalela even labantu abanjengabo Jabu Khanyile Obongeziwe Mabandla kwangi-inspire ukuthi no but into leyo maybe lami ngingayikwanisa uphonga uzihlabelela la urelaxile usuze omunye umuntu ekuncoma ukuthi nje pusha into leyo yanjani uyayikwanisa so just have self belief sihlukane lento zama drugs uzinikeze more time ukuhlala lawe usebantwini and ufunda lokuzinikeza ukufunda uvumele ukufunda uyakwanisa ukuthi uphumelele life because wonke umuntu I think ule ama destination achiyeneyo but kunengi I think we can have ama talents amaningi even uyi-one you ngakutsho.
Oh, wow. So in short, now from what I got from Mahlaba, in short, he's saying say no to drugs. He's saying be focused ngalokho kwenzayo to achieve ama goals akho. He's saying I think he's also saying be patient because cabanga ukuthi 2 years zonke lokhu pheki album. That's a long time. So be patient upheke into ivuthwe ubuse uyiphakulela abantu ungajahi ukuthi uyiphakulela abantu. I love that message. And also like I said, don't forget ukuthi you can access music. The latest album, Live Impilo Eka Mahlaba, kuma streams wonke. I think that includes about Spotify and so forth. So get in touch with Mahlaba on his social platforms, media platforms also. He is there. And also get in touch with Nondudu Zongcube across all social media platforms. I have this habit of sharing beautiful music from Spotify and stuff like that. My links. So if you follow me, you will easily get a link and access music. I think in the next 1 or 2 days, I'm going to also share a link to music Mahlaba on my social media platform. So do follow Nondudu Zongcube. Sibonge kakhulu sesivala episode yethu enkundleni. Thank you so much for being with us Mahlaba. Siyabonga kakhulu. It was an interesting conversation. Lami nje ngifundile imfundo kuningi from you and I'm quite sure ukuthi ababukeli labo they got to learn a lot from you. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe and comment and share the link to others so that they can also watch the episode. The Deb TV. And also please do follow the Deb3 across all social media platforms, Ikona Facebook, Ikona Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Do follow Deb3. Special thanks to Oaklet Designs and Pula Water for sponsoring this episode. Sibonane njalo ku Viki Elizayo, same place next week.